Welcome to the world of collections. Debt collectors are known by many titles: agent, account recovery specialist, collector. Regardless of the name, you are a professional in a field that plays a vital role in the health of our economy. If you're new to industry, welcome aboard. If you're here to refresh your knowledge and sharpen your skills, you already understand that mastering human communication is a lifelong journey. Now, what is FDCPA? Enacted in 1977, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA, is the cornerstone federal law governing the debt collection industry. It provides protection for both consumers and collectors. Now, the FDCPA rule grants consumers the rights and protections to obtain validation information about their debts, designate or limit communication methods, and dispute debts in collection. There are two federal regulators with authority over the FDCPA: the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPBB, and the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. These agencies may work independently or collaboratively to investigate companies or individuals accused of violating the FDCPA. You will learn more about regulatory coordination in this course. Notably, the CFPB has rulemaking authority for the FDCPA. The first set of official rules associated with the FDCPA since 1978 took effect on November 30th, 2021. Regulation F, or Reg F, further specifies and defines how to perform collection duties. Wait, what? What's in it for me? You are one of your company's most vital compliance resources. Understanding intersecting laws, regulations, and company and client policies is essential for your success. Now come back to me. Collectors should never attempt to answer questions about the law. It's crucial to learn how to say, "I don't know the right way." Redirect the conversation to something you can assist with. "Great question. I don't know the answer. Let's find out together. We can connect with Jim in the payments department, and I'll stay in the line with you." Remember, you are human. If you make or notice a potential compliance error, inform your leader immediately so that a solution can be implemented. Eliminating abusive debt collection practices by debt collectors. Ensuring that debt collectors who refrain from using abusive debt collection practices are not competitively disadvantaged. Promoting consistent state action to protect consumers against debt collection abuses. All right, let's break something down for you and get to the basics. The definition of debt. Well, debt refers to any obligation or alleged obligation of a consumer to pay money arising from a transaction where the money, property, insurance, or services involved are primarily for personal, family, or household purposes, regardless of whether the obligation has been reduced to judgment. The FDCPA does not apply to the collection of corporate, business-to-business debt or debt owed for business or agricultural purposes, child support, or alimony. This means you'll be talking to regular people about everyday purchases. Most people want to resolve their debts, but for various reasons, they're behind. Some people will be emotional about talking with a collector, while others will simply refuse to work with you. In many cases, you will reach other people before you connect with the consumer responsible for the debt. Listen carefully, keep an open mind, and focus on finding solutions. Communication is our core business. Collectors serve as the bridge between creditors and consumers. Under the FDCPA, your core responsibility can be summarized simply: collect the correct amount from the appropriate consumer using the consumer's preferred method of communication, and always in a manner that is clear and conspicuous.